So that the outermost layer of the earth is the crust, and its density is from 8 to 80 kilometers. It is also called the sial. Here the aluminium, silver, these metals are found. And next to it, there comes mantle. Its density is 2,900 kilometers. The layer located under the crust is called mantle. It is about 2,900 kilometers thick. These rocks are so hot that it is often partially molten. On this layer, the rigid lithosphere plates float like ice in a pond. And this layer, the the innermost layer this is called the what? Core. So this mantle is divided in two parts. That upper mantle and the lower mantle. And this is that affected by the core. So this is also that liquid form. And here it is thick form. The mantle is classified into two parts, upper mantle and lower mantle. Upper mantle is in solid form and the lower mantle is in semi-molten condition. It is the semi-molten condition. Semi-molten condition means that it is not completely thick and it is not completely molten. So this is that mantle, the upper mantle and the lower mantle. The density of the mantle varies between 3.5 and 5.5, and the average temperature of the upper mantle is 870 degrees Celsius, while the lower mantle has an average temperature of 2200 Celsius. Then core, the innermost layer forming the metallic center of the earth is called core. The core of the earth is a dense magnetic ball of minerals, iron and nickel. Hence it is also called nickel and ferrous magnesium. The density of the core is about 11 G by cc. The core has two parts, outer core and inner core. The outer core, it is so hot that even metals also melts. Inner core, it has maximum pressure, therefore it cannot melt even though temperature is around 3700 degrees Celsius. Then comes materials of the earth's crust. The outer part of the earth, the crust, is also called lithosphere. The word lithosphere means a sphere of rocks. Rocks which form the crust of the earth are a mass of natural deposits. Rocks are generally thought of a solid mass like granite, sandstone, or marble. Rocks also include loose materials such as sand, silt, or gravel. Rocks are made up of one or more minerals. Rocks do not have a definite chemical composition. The common minerals found in the rocks are quartz and feldspar. Minerals are those substances which occur naturally in the rocks. Each mineral usually contains two or three simple substances called elements. Minerals have a definite chemical composition, so minerals provide us metals and chemicals. The minerals are non-living solid substances. Minerals are those chemical substances found in nature. A rock in which a particular mineral is found in large percentage is called the ore of that mineral. Mining is mostly done in those areas where ores occur. So, the first layer comes the crust. The outermost and the thinnest layer of the earth is called the crust. This is the uppermost layer that we can see everywhere. The uppermost, the surface of the earth. The surface of the earth is called the crust, and it is also called the shell. And it is density. Its density is lowest. It consists of lightest materials. That all the lightest materials are found in crust. The materials forming crust are mainly silica and aluminium. The crust is also called shell. Its average thickness varies between 8 km to 800 km. 80 km. It is thickest in mountainous areas and thinnest in ocean bed. It is broken into large continental blocks called plates. All the continental plates that they constantly stand here, constantly in motion, that the continental blocks called plates constantly in motion. The lower part of the crust is shima, and the lower part is called the shima. It is called so due to presence of silica and magnesium. Silica and magnesium is found at this level. With the lightest material and some thickness is found there. And next to it comes the mantle, and then the core. So, this is the structure of our earth. It is mostly present under the continents. The density of the crust is less than 3 g/cc. The oceanic crust is denser than the continental crust. The oceanic crust is denser because there the oceans stand. The oceans are found. The layer located under the crust is called mantle. It is about 2,900 km thick. So the thickness of the mantle is 2,900 km. The mantle is classified into two parts: upper mantle and lower mantle. It is also classified. In two parts. The crust is classified into two parts, and the mantle is also classified into two parts, and the core, and next is core. And the density of the mantle varies between 3.5 and 5.5. And the average temperature of the upper mantle is 870 degrees Celsius, while the lower mantle has an average temperature 2200 degrees Celsius. Then core. Core is that that is the liquid or the melted part, that is also divided into two kinds: outer core and inner core. It can't melt even though temperature is around 3700 degrees Celsius. So, next time we shall read the other. Thanks.